Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Nginx basic auth for protected server dashboards, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your server through a terminal or command line interface. Ensure you have Nginx installed on your server. If Nginx is not installed, use your package manager to install it. Once Nginx is installed, navigate to the directory where your server configuration files are located. This is typically found in /etc/nginx/sites available/. Open the configuration file for your specific server dashboard using a text editor. For example, you might use nano or vim followed by the file name. Locate the server block within the configuration file. Within the server block, find the location block that corresponds to your dashboard. Now, you will need to create a password file for basic authentication. To do this, install that Apache 2 utils package if it is not already installed. Use the command sudo apt-get install Apache 2 utils for Debian-based systems. Next, generate the password file using the command passwd/etc/nginx/.passwd username. Replace username with the desired username for access. You will be prompted to enter a password for the specified username. Ensure this password is secure, as it will protect your dashboard. After creating the password file, return to your Nginx configuration file. Add the following lines within the location block of your dashboard. Use auth_basic restricted access to set the authentication realm. Then, add auth_basic_user_file/etc/nginx/.passwd to specify the location of your password file. Save the changes to the configuration file and exit the text editor. Next, test the Nginx configuration for any syntax errors. Run the command sudo nginxt to ensure there are no issues. If the test is successful, reload Nginx to apply the changes. You can do this by using the command sudo systemcll reload Nginx. Now, open a web browser and navigate to your protected server dashboard. You should be prompted to enter the username and password. Enter the username and password you created earlier. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.